I will show you how to download Roblox on PC and laptop. Go to your browser, type in the search field Roblox Home, then log in to your Roblox account. After logging in, you are on the front page. Select the game you want to play. Then press this. Later, it will automatically download the Roblox application. Select the file to save the application. After that, install the application. After installing, open the application. Select Sign In if you already have an ID. Enter your ID and password. Select the game and click the play button. Congratulations, you have successfully played Roblox.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.